clue 1, x is greater than 0. That means x could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can't find the value of this because we do not know what x is. There's too many choices, infinite number of choices. So if I look at clue 2, I've got 4 as a base. If I had a 2 to the 2x, I could rewrite that as 2 squared raised to the x. It's when you have a power to power, you multiply. And then 2 times 2, of course, would give him a 4. So what I want to do, I want to start with 2 to the x plus 2 to the negative x, and I want to square this thing. So that means 2 to the x plus 2 to the negative x times 2 to the x plus 2 to the negative x. Now, I'd skip some steps on the GMAT, but I'm going to show you all my steps this time. All right, let's multiply this times this. When you multiply like bases, you add your exponents. So keep your common base. X plus x is 2x. And now multiply this times this. Same deal. It's going to be positive 2. X minus x is to the 0. And now let's multiply these. And that's going to give me positive 2 to the 0. And then we need to do this multiplication. That's going to be 2 to the negative x. So this is 2 squared to the x. 2 to the 0 is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Plus 1. And I lost my x. So this is plus 2 squared to the negative x, because 2 times negative x gives me that negative 2x. So now I have 4 to the x plus 4 to the negative x plus 2. All right, so now what? I know another name for 4x plus 4 to the negative x is 23. So 23 plus 2 is 25. And this, of course, is equal to 2x plus 2 to the negative x squared. We're trying to find that, which is inside your parentheses. So if I take the square root of both sides, it gets rid of that square. And I'm left with a 5. So there's your value. And that was, so your answer is B. That's clue 2 is the only one that worked.